And now, somewhere live in Miami, it's Cooking with Rudy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do pumpkin seeds. So, Halloween just around the corner. Most of you guys are carving pumpkins. And that's what I just got done doing. So, we're going to do pumpkin seeds. These are a healthy snack. They're great for you, for what I've been told. Unless we all do bad things to them that we're about to do, but that's okay. So, step one is, obviously, is to take the pumpkin seeds out of the pumpkin. You want to get like a strainer of some sort, and you want to clean all the membrane off of this. And then you want to let it sit here on a paper towel, a regular towel, or even a shirt, just to make sure they dry completely. Because if not, what's going to happen is when they're wet, they're just going to steam, and they're going to steam burn on you, and that's not exactly what we want to do. So these have been sitting here for about 2 days, so now they're nice and dry. We're going to take a regular mixing bowl. I melted some butter, put that in here. I also preset my oven to 350 degrees. Nope, I'm not drinking this early in the morning. This is olive oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put enough of this in here to make a nice coating. And let's go. Then what we're going to do is we're going to coat this here with garlic salt. A good amount of garlic salt. Followed by onion powder. Sometimes Rudy is exact, sometimes he's not. And finally, this one I am going to measure out. Just a little bit under a teaspoon of salt. Take this thing and we're going to stir it all around. Now I do understand that with my setup here, we're definitely going to need more of this stuff. So we're going to refill as we go. Provide a little bit of variety in this. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get yourself a cookie sheet, something like this. And we're going to dump the seeds in here. You can do it like I do. This is also my favorite mixing bowl. And we'll continue putting stuff in. Put the seeds onto a pan. And make the next batch. So I don't have the butter, but we're going to do the garlic. This will actually provide us a little bit of a base on that deal to coat the bottom of that tray so it doesn't stick. Again, a little bit of garlic salt. And onion. And this time what we're going to do is throw stuff in, mix it around, and scoop it out. Now, I try to make my videos kind of easy and fast, so what we're going to do now is you want to spread these seeds out evenly on the pan, and at 350 you want to cook them for around 12 to 15 minutes is what most people are calling for. I would definitely watch it. My stove doesn't have a window, so I'll be opening it up every few minutes just to make sure that this thing is going okay. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the recipe. Hope you guys have a fantastic Halloween. If you're on my Facebook page, I definitely want to see pictures. Here in Miami, for some reason, Halloween is not as big of a deal like it was in Utah. So, look forward to seeing some costume pictures and hopefully get out of this mess soon. You guys have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.